Something's going on here. Something's not right. It's time to make a call.
لا يمكن الاتصال حاليا بالرقم الذي طلبته.
The number you are calling cannot be accessed at the moment.
What the? This just became an EBR emergency.
State your emergency.
Oh, thank heaven. Things have gotten completely out of hand. I don't know what to do. I need an epic bike ride. And I tried to call the EBR confirmation line, but there's something wrong with the phone, like the phone is disconnected or something, and I've run out of options and I don't know what to do.
Okay, sir, before we dispatch a rescue, we have to go over a few things to make sure you're ready for an EBR.
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay, number one, is your bike clean and ready to include a clean chain, tools, and a spare tube?
My bike is always ready.
Alright. Number two, is your personal gear clean and ready to include clothing, food, and at least 60 ounces of water?
Yeah. I'm good to go.
Okay, just one more thing, sir. Number three, do you have a map with your EBR route well marked and measured for accuracy and safety?
A map? Wait, I've never had to get a map before. Wait a minute. Who is this? Who am I talking to?
Thank you, sir. Your EBR is confirmed. This call has been monitored for the entertainment of other people. Have a nice day.
Epic
bike ride.
It's 4:22 in the morning, time for an epic bike ride. This way? Good morning, guys. Morning. Morning, guys. How awesome it is to be out on a Friday morning when most of the world is sleeping one off or whatever, and we're out here taking in an epic bike ride. Excuse me. Thank you. Good morning. Whoa. Did you notice dude man laying on the ground back there? Almost hit him. Yeah, because the other dude man started to whip a fish hook over my face. That was close. Really close. Smells like burning oil. Yeah, I smell it, man. Overheating engine. My nostrils are finely tuned. It's that sort of scent right there. It's either that or bread. Alright, you just shut it off. Wait a sec, press it again. Alright, wait a sec, and then press the one on top once. Now you're filming.
There's a path here somewhere.
I think this is it. It's a shadow path.
Shadow paths!
Is there a road here? Is this a road?
Where we're going, we don't need roads. So it's 4:52 in the morning. 4:52. And we're venturing into our hid adventure. We've been through hid many times, we've never been into hid.
Kind of like in the hood, we're in the head.
Eddie's kind of sick this week. Let's go left. It's going to be a little EBR light today.
Do you hear that? Dude, I shit you not, it sounded like the children crying from Blair Witch Project.
Either that or
So eerie. Take a left. God, that's scary, dude. It's a rooster. It sounds like the tortured soul of Hid.
Dude, you got a little sketchy. You got a little sketchy in there.
Let's take a right. Let's go back over there to the right. In Bahrain, you can be in the dead center of a construction zone and you can raise your own livestock. Let's take a left right now. I want to check out the shortcut. That's a stop sign that's seen better days.
It had that gray water smell, not black water, but gray water.
Yeah.
That smelled like gray water. We're going left here? Go ahead, I'll follow.
I can't tell if that's dogs or garbage standing out there. Pedal power!
Yeah.
Taking a left.
I think there's one there. Oh, we got a regular road. We don't need that.
I think we're screwed here. Well, wait a minute. We got an actual road here. Dude, we check out the planets lining up with the moon this morning. I think that's Jupiter and Venus right there.
That's pretty cool, dude.
Let's go this way, and then let's head south, and let's head back north again. We're gonna zigzag all up in through here.
Right here, to the left. Left, 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 left. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared just now. Going down that little hill. No, I was scared.
Oh, yeah. Dude, what's up with the power lines this morning? Just
How's your water bottle feeling right now? You feel a little full of dirt?
yeah, a little gritty. I wasn't kind of ready for it, but then, and I thought to myself, that's unmixed Gatorade. That's crunching between my teeth right there.
Oh wow, that's a good. Is that the Gatorade or sand? You don't really know right now, do you?
And then you said, did that taste a little bit like dirt? And then it reminded me, you know what? That wasn't Gatorade. That was Bahrain soil right there. Oh, dude, yeah. Where you at? Are you over there tearing up the styrofoam?
I am.
All right, I found it.
Hold on, I need another pass on the styrofoam, dude. Not that we're not juvenile enough, but it's going to bring out the inner 8-year-old in you.
I want to check out this mosque.
Let's go, dude. Oh, we're going back.
The alleys of Bahrain. Nice. Take note. The tile pattern here, this is inspired by Cubert.
It's very nice.
I can just see it already. I can hear the sound. Boing, 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 boing.
Just think of
Gang, gang, gang. Air. Not sure what you got here. That's the best part. Is that rideable? Yep, yep. Nice, nice. Ooh, wow, dude, nicely done.
That's what I do.
That was all EBR.
That's what I do. See what you got. Ooh, I'd give it a 3. Now we used to do that on Sundays after Kung Fu Theater come on.
I need nunchucks. I'm gonna make some.
We made none. Everybody, yeah.
Who doesn't make nunchucks?
Anybody who's a product of free range parenting.
Free range parenting. You'll make nunchucks.
Nice one. That's your 9 right there. I got it.
All I was thinking was, my bike is gonna hit me in the back of the head right now.
Pretty close.
I was experimenting right there.
So almost went down, dude. When you turn back there to the dirt lot, I tried to turn with you. And I almost went down. Like my front tire went in the sand. I was
Oh, this is it. This is where I kiss it.
Then I almost
Taste the Bahrain bow.
My feet came out of the cliff at the last second. And they will put foot down. Hold on, 1 second.
The swing set is not set up for success. You are going to swing straight into a wall.
A no hand zone. No hand zone. What you got? Are you in the no hand zone?
No hand zone. Ding, 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 ding. 10 miles in the no hand zone. All right, take a right in the no hand zone. Oh, I had to grab at the end. Oh, I was so close. I was getting a little cocky with it. I'm going up there. Soft. Ooh. Ooh. All right, I'm going up this. What? This is the camping zone. Woo, what are those tires? Oh no! Flipless pedals came in today. You alright?
It's only my pride hurt. It's pretty impressive.
Alright. Whoa, that is not stable.
Whoa, watch out, Barrett.
Look at the flamingos, dude. Okay.
Sick and I'm old.
Oh, you got your shoes are not the best for this? Can you take a right? Look to the right. You might have to take your shades off.
I'm looking. I'm afraid to, I've got clipless shoes on, alright?
I'm not going to hold your hand
I don't want you
unless you ask.
I don't want you to hold my hand. I just want to do this without falling in.
Alright, you got a couple of things going against you right now. I got to tell you, that's a shaky leg. You're giving me the shaky leg move right now. Can you see the flamingos though?
Dude. Look at them moving. They're like a pack of velociraptors.
Yeah. Yeah, I could easily see those being like the one of those duck-billed dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't know my dinosaurs well enough.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
When I was 7 or 8 I did.
My kids do, man. They're like, oh, that's Dimetrodon, Dad.
Duh.
That's a hadrosaur. Dad, it's not duck-billed, it's a hadrosaurus. All right, so Eddie and I are out here for a really nice EBR, okay? We started over, you were saying?
It's kind of free. Kind of, we're just unplugged from it.
Free ride EBR?
Yeah, free ride EBR.
Yeah, I would say. We started over there in Jaffair, J-Town, and we came across the bridge, the Hid Bridge right there, and we've been banging around this neighborhood behind me, all up and down and through it, and it's a pretty nice neighborhood. I've been enjoying it, and we came around the corner to this little dirt lot, this location, found this wall of rock. I thought, you know, this is really cool. I want to check it out. Eddie's going down.
I gotta go down.
And it's hard to see, but there's a flock of flamingos right there. Easily a flock of 20, easily 20. And they're all feeding right there. Hard to see them, all right? Believe me, they're there. Contrary to the belief of some people that flamingos don't exist in the Middle East, they do. It's a happening thing.
Proof positive.
Proof positive. So that's what's happening right now. We're tearing it up. There's definitely going to be some chain cleaning later on today. I'm looking forward to it. First serious chain clean with the new chain, new crank set. It's going to be lovely. All right, more to follow.
Man, why don't you turn around here? Let me see. That's a little picturesque right now. Little picturesque.
Yeah, I'm a little dirty, but you know what? Damn it, I like that. Wouldn't feel right if I didn't get a little dirty.
You want to get up here on the road?
I'm not a road biker all the time.
Hey, it can be RBG.
I'm not a road bike guy all the time.
This guy peeing? It looks like he's peeing. He was updating his status. Dump trash. Hashtag worst job ever. Pushing or riding? I think they were pushing.
Oh man, there's a whole hangout joint here. Ooh, that's soft. Ooh, that's
Power.
Let's head, man. Right here. Oh!
Banked.
Oh, it's so soft, brother.
Piece of shit. It just. I clip in just as my left foot was not clipped in, but I couldn't pull because I would have went down.
It looks good, man. That chain looks pretty fucking good.
No, it does not. Look at yours.
I don't want to look, man. I don't want to look at my chain. It was so clean.
I have a mountain on my derailleur right now.
I'm looking at the bottom bracket. There's literally 2 pounds of dirt between the pedals.
Yeah.
Between the cranks right now. You sound good.
Dude, look at this Wagoneer. Next.
Oh, that's a good looking Wagoneer. Dude, I would love to take it and chop the back off. Dude.
And we found a moss. And a downhill section. Woo! Downhill racing. All right.
Oh no! What kind of tree is that? I gotta know what that thing is.
What thing?
I mean, that thing. Now, if you found that on the playground, you'd be up on that.
Oh, all day long.
All right, hit it. The alleys of Hid. Alley Ninja. Oh hell, I know where we're at.
We got the same where we ended up taking our easy on
Are we snacking it right now? Snack on. I am fairly certain that my handlebars are not 100% squared away straight. I found something. Walk for a scholar.
Little selfie stick right there.
Yeah, big time. He's got the selfie stick with the GoPro going on.
Pretty serious.
I'm not gonna like do any cool stunts. It's got a great shape. Oh, this is cool looking, man. Are you digging this place right now?
I like it.
I'm not gonna ride now. I really do. This is nice, man. This is wood. That is nice. All right, but we obeyed. We're good. Citizens of Bahrain. Citizens of Bahrain. No, that's just a really nice porta potty. Do people have mailboxes in Bahrain? How do people get mail in Bahrain? Right? Because I don't see postal delivery happening. Ever. Watch the car. He's not seeing us. He is still not seeing me. Dude, let's go this way. That car is pissing me off right now. Tight. Oh, I just inadvertently dismantled a perfectly good GoPro camera. I was trying to help out Eddie, and I didn't know what I was doing. I ended up taking the back of his camera off, and lo and behold, now we can see the guts of this poor thing. And it's looking like we can probably reassemble that. I feel really bad about it. I hope we didn't fuck it up. At least we know it's not wet. We got that going for us. More to follow. I want to go that way. I want to see what lies that direction. Clear. Oh, the perspective. Oh. Dude, I need to go all the way up to there. Dude, you saved that. Oh, you were gonna dig your face so fast. Oh, I'm glad you pulled that off. Nice save.
I saved it.
I don't know. Instinct would have been to grab the brakes, and that would have definitely dumped you. But you didn't. Nicely done. Dude, what's up with these? Can like anybody just come out here with some plywood, make themselves a shack and live here? Are we not loving this right now? Hello! This is the epic part of Bahrain, dude. I mean, if all of Bahrain was like that, who wouldn't want to live here? You don't have like, oh,
What was that, dude?
that was some garbage. Oh, fishing line, dude. Fishing line all up in my running gear. I got it. I got it.
Here too, also.
Oh, son of a bitch. That was a booby trap for my bike. Oh, son of a bitch. Safe. Yeah, you got it. You got it back here. In transmission style. Yeah, it's not going to survive. All right, 7:50. We got to start heading back now. Good morning. Wow, this is a good setup. No, thank you. No, thank you. Why is my transmission making noise? Are you playing with my feelings right now? I probably got some chicken wire, a little fishing line, probably some bait, a lot of sand. I'm tasting Bahrain all up in my transmission right now. Woo! Did it! Did you see that, dude? See that awesome move? I was riding up there and then just jumped right off of it, landed it, stuck it. It was like an emergency mode. Like you're gonna call it off due to sickness. That's an emergency.